Welcome to Git Solutions. So in this session we have to solve the 8th and 9th problem on purchase consideration. Okay, so let's see the problem. A Limited and B Limited agreed to amalgamate and form a new company called AB Limited. So in this problem also there are two companies, A Limited and B Limited. Okay, so both the companies are going to form together and amalgamate together to form a new company called AB Limited. Okay, so then this both the companies will be called as transferor company and AB Limited will be called as transferee company. Okay, next see, the amalgamation agreement provides for discharge of PC. So this amalgamation agreement provides and means this transferee company will be going to agree to discharge the purchase consideration to the transferor company in the form of, see, next they have given issue of 12,000 shares of rupees 10 each, that is discharge of PC by AB Limited to the shareholders of the transferor company in the form of issue of 12,000 shares at rupees 10. Okay, and the payment of cash rupees 30,000 to A Limited, and in the form of cash, it is how much? Rupees 30,000, this both to A Limited. Okay, so for A Limited, the transferee company AB Limited will be going to pay the purchase consideration to the shareholders of A Limited, that is to the shareholders of A Limited, that is issue of 12,000 shares at rupees 10 each and issuing in the form of cash rupees 30,000 pay ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. Okay, next issue of 18,000 shares. Next see, issue of 18,000 shares at rupees 10 each and payment of cash rupees 20,000, and in the form of cash, that is rupees 20,000 will be paid by the transferee company to the shareholders of B Limited. Okay, so they have given separately, that is regarding purchase consideration paid by the transferee company to the shareholders of A Limited and B Limited. So these are the information. Show the calculation of PC. So now we have to calculate the total purchase consideration in the form of payments, that is net payments method, that is because they have given in the form of shares, right? So therefore we have to calculate the purchase consideration in the form of net payment method. Okay, so in the form of net payment method we have to consider only the transactions related to equity shareholders and preference shareholders and debentures, and we have to consider the cash to the shareholders of the transferor company, that is paid by the transferee company. That you have to keep it in mind in the form of, that is in order to calculate the purchase consideration based on the net payment method, we have to consider only the transactions related to equity, preference and debenture shareholders and also the cash paid by the transferee company to the shareholders. So shareholders ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂಡರ್ ನೆಟ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. See, there are two transferor company. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಪೇ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಬಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಸ್, ಸಿ, first we have to calculate the purchase consideration paid by the shareholders of the A Limited. Okay, see, the information given related to the A Limited by the issue of shares. So how many shares issued by the AB Limited to the shareholders of A Limited? That is 12,000 shares issued at rupees 10 each, right? So 12,000 shares na 10 rupees kotre, so total share capital value how much? That is 1,20,000. So in the form of cash ಅಲ್ಲಿ equity shareholders of A Limited ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರರ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡಿದೆ 1,20,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟು ಎ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಶಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30,000 rupees ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ 30,000 rupees ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬಿಗೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೇರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ shares, issue of shares. That is how many shares are issued by the transferee company to the shareholders of B Limited. That is 18,000 shares na ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ, 10 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ. So 18,000 shares at rupees 10. Okay, then the total share capital value 1,80,000. Okay, next cash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, 20,000 rupees ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರಿ ಕಂಪನಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 20,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 20,000. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 1,20,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 30,000, 1,50,000 is the purchase consideration paid by AB Limited to the shareholders of A Limited. Next 1,80,000 plus 20, 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs is the purchase consideration paid by AB Limited to the shareholders of B Limited. Okay, so these are the purchase consideration. The total purchase consideration 2 lakhs plus 1,50,000, total 3,50,000 is the total purchase consideration paid by this AB Limited, that is transferee company, to the shareholders of both company. Okay, so 3,50,000. See, ninth problem. Calculate the amount of purchase consideration. So they have given information. So a cash payment of rupees 50,000. Okay, so given information. So given information, take down cash payment. How much? Rupees 50,000 is. So issue of 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, fully paid at rupees 15 per share. Means so 80,000 equity shares ಇದೆ, ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 10 rupees per share, ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್ 15 rupees. ಅಂದರೆ 15 rupeesಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 15 rupeesಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 10 rupees ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು 15 rupees ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ 80,000 equity share of rupees 10 each only, but fully paid at rupees 15. It is very important. Okay, so keep it in mind. Next, issue of 50,000 preference shares. Next, they are issuing preference shares. Issue of preference shares, that is 50,000 preference shares of rupees 10 at rupees 6 per share, but they are actually paid at rupees 6 rupees. Actual preference share value is to 10 rupees, but they are paying 6 rupees. Okay. Next, issue of 30,000 debentures. They are also issuing debentures. Okay, so issue of 30,000 debentures of rupees 10 each only, but they are paying at a discount. So discount 10% discount ke pay ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so these are the very important concept. See, given information, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ 50,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, that is 80,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, but they are fully paid at rupees 15 rupees. Okay, this issue of preferential at rupees, that is rupees 10, but is that actual value of preferential is rupees 10 only, but they are paid 6 rupees, means issue of 50,000 preference shares at rupees 6. Okay, next issue of debenture 30,000. The actual value of per debenture value is rupees 10 rupees only, but they are issuing 30,000 debentures at a discount of 10 rupees. Okay, now we have to calculate the purchase consideration based on the net payment method, because they have given the purchase consideration in the form of cash and equity shares, preference shares and debentures. So let's take down calculation of purchase consideration. Calculation of purchase consideration based on net payment method. So in previous problem only I have explained that to calculate the purchase consideration under net payment method, we have to consider the equity shares and preference shares and debentures and cash related to shareholders. The shareholders ಗೆ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು to calculate purchase consideration. Okay, let's calculate the purchase consideration. So purchase consideration will be paid in the form of cash, that is rupees 50,000, right? Next, issuing of equity shares. So issue of equity share, so 10 rupees is the value, but they are issuing at rupees 50, so at 50. Okay, so how many equity shares are issuing? That is totally 80,000 equity shares are issuing at rupees 50. So 15 are 120, so yes, rupees 12 lakhs. So total value of equity shares is 12 lakhs. Okay. Next, they are issuing preference shares, 50,000 preference shares at rupees 10, but actually they are paying 6 rupees. So actual value is 10 rupees, but they are paying at rupees 6. Okay. Next, issue of preference shares at rupees 6. Okay. It is issuing 50,000 preference shares at rupees, how much? That is at rupees 6. Okay. The total ₹3 lakhs. Okay, total value of preference shares 3 lakhs. Next, the last one, issuing of debenture, that is 30,000 debenture at rupees 10, but they are paying at a discount of rupees 10 rupees. Okay, see this adjustment, it is a special adjustment in this problem. So issuing of debentures at the discount 10%, right? So 10 rupees discount ke debentures ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, what is the face value of 30,000 debentures? That is rupees 10. So actual value ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10 rupees ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So 10 rupees ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ 30,000 shares ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, then what is the total value of debentures we will get? That is 3 lakhs, right? But ಈಗ 10 rupees ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, they are issuing at a discount of 10%, right? So 10 rupees actual value ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ 10 rupees ಗೆ ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 10 rupees actual value, ನಾವು 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ 10 rupeesನಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1 ರೂಪಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಪೀಸ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? rupees 9 rupeesಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ 10 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದು 10% ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 30,000 ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ನ 9 rupeesಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಈ 10 rupees ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 9 rupeesಗೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ನ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ how many debentures are issuing? 30,000 debentures are issuing at a discount of rupees 9 rupees ಗೆ issue ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, so then calculate the total value of debentures, that is 2,70,000. Okay, so now we have completed all the adjustments with regard to debentures and equity shares and preference shares. Okay, now we have to calculate the total purchase consideration. So what is the total purchase consideration? That is, you will get 18,20,000 is your purchase consideration. So one thing you have to keep it in mind. So fourth adjustment regarding debentures, actually 30,000 debentures na 10 rupees ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ 10 rupees ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಟ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 10 rupees ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 ರೂಪಿ. ಓಕೆ, 1 ರೂಪಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 10 rupees ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ರೂಪಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ 9 rupees ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ issuing 30,000 debentures at rupees 9 means at a discount of 10% ಅಂತ. Okay, so 10 rupees and 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So 30,000 debentures ಎಷ್ಟು rupees ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 9 rupees ಗೆ. Then the total value of debentures will be issued 2,70,000. So total you will get purchase consideration 18,20,000. Okay, this is your purchase consideration. If you have any doubts or queries, comment on this video. So that you will get a solution for your query. So please subscribe to this channel if you still not yet subscribed, so that you will get my latest videos. So thanks for watching.